Okay, here we have puzzles. Seems everyone's into puzzles these days in my house. So, let's see what we actually get here. Okay, ooh, comes with a free, what is this here? Dear Master. Okay, I've never gotten something like this in one of my orders. A photocopied, handwritten note. And it comes with a free temporary tattoo and a free dollar bill. Oh, free stickers. A free temporary tattoo and a free dollar bill. Okay, this has definitely got some polished touches to it. Okay, this is really tight. I need better scissors. Okay, better scissors. Goodness, it's just a puzzle. Alrighty. There it is with mushrooms. Ugh. Choking hazard for 3 and under. Jigsaw puzzle. Alrighty. I'm not gonna actually pop it open too much. Well, let's pop it open. It's just gonna be a gift to the kids so we can take a peek. Let's see what we get. Well, there they are. Take out some of the pieces. And wouldn't call it the thickest cardboard in the world, but it's about average for puzzles. It comes in a bag, just like that. So there you go. Pretty simple.